Hello and welcome to Online Learning Box. Today in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to design or how to illustrate a diamond shape. So let's start with basic. So what is the diamond shape and what is the shape of diamond? So it's looks like this. For the basic information, it looks like this. Okay, so this is like diamond shape. This is like diamond shape. Okay, so this is imagine this is a triangle here. It's a triangle here, and it's you can do it with a rectangle shape, and if you tilt it this corner and this corner, you can find this shape like this. So take it aside and delete rest of this part. So our basic thing is do like this. So in the here you can see this is a polygon tool, and here rectangle tool, this is a polygon tool. So click here and holding the down arrow, okay, holding the down arrow, you can find the shape like this. Okay, and why I'm doing with the polygon tool, because you can see this is a rectangle. We can find this is a rectangle. Okay, how you can see this is the rectangle. So good designer or good illustrator, you should go with your imagination. Okay, so if you imagine anything, you can do anything. Okay, so imagine it's a triangle, and what you need to do, just take it aside, just holding shift and just round. Okay, and we have get this triangle here. Okay, just we have get this triangle here. So all you need to do, just up this triangle here. So delete this and holding this two of this thing, select this one with the direct selection tool and this corner with the direct help of direct selection tool. Now the magic is began. Now holding up arrow, you can see this is the diamond shape we have got. So this is very easy and simple. Only you need to do, just imagine. Okay, just increase the size of the stroke, and now we get the something like diamond shape. Okay, so this is the cap, round cap, and here, and this is inside. Okay, now here, from here, we are going to shape like this. Okay, now the rest of the part is very easy, and do like this. Okay, now with the help of this is, now copy paste it font, transform, reflect, and hit OK. Now after hitting OK, put it like this. Okay, and here and here we are going to create a triangle. Okay, so this is our diamond shape is done. Now cut the unwanted part with the help of shape builder tool. This is my one of the favorite tool. So hit holding alt, I'm holding alt here, and delete the rest of this part. Okay, now you can see this is very easy thing. So copy and see, this is the layer panel. Hitting, if you can't see this shortcut of layer panel is 7. Okay, hitting here, this is layer 2, and now holding alt, drag it a little bit, and we have got this another dimension, and then lock it and hide. Okay, now what I'm going to do, just this option and expand appearance. After expanding appearance, this is an object, and now path and outline stroke. Now completely this is an object. Now you can cut this unwanted part and it's automatically hide. Okay, automatically converted in a good shape. Okay, we have got this diamond shape. Okay, that's nice, cool. Okay, now you can tilt like this. Okay, you can put some color over here. So before doing this, copy, and if you want to paste it font, and this is another layer, and holding alt and drag. Now we have got this another layer. Lock this one, and just do not want to mess with this layer or with this icon. So this color over here. Now I'm doing with this area, but here I'm not happy. Let's say giving me wrong idea. So here you can see this is unwanted part. Delete this, and now hide this one, lock it. Now colorify this area. Now I'm going to make it blue type of color. So all you need to do, just block, creating some block. Okay, now this is here, and this one should the another color like this, and this is before doing anything, color this one, color like this. Okay, and this one you can make a completely white like things. This is this one. Okay, and there's a lighter version one. Okay, now nice, we have got this color. So after that, all you need to do, if you got this, and you can change the color like this, and if you need this lighter one, lighter version, you can change accordingly your need. Okay, so this one and this lighter. Okay, so I got this kind of thing. Okay, with this. Okay, if you don't want this this black kind of thing, you can delete just with the help of magic wand tool. This is the black one, delete this. Okay, now you get this one. Okay, very nice. Now do one thing with the help of polygon, this polygon, and here this is effect, and this joint as bucket and pot. So here we have this. Okay, this sparking type of effect. So here this is yellow, and this corner I should white one, so it's spark like this, and star. So I've got this kind of star. Go to effect, bucket, and see the effect. Okay, nice. Hit OK. See, this is okay, nice. So I've got this kind of icon. You can bend like this. It's a unique shape like this. Okay, now hide this one. Okay, put this. It's like this. Okay, nice. Okay, up. Okay, now down you have got this layer, black stroke, and this is color layer. Okay, this everything is separated over here. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. You can change this, colorify and modify this icon. Thank you. And stay tuned with us and connected with us for next upcoming video. Thank you. If you feel this is very helpful, please hit like and share. Thank you.